Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll speak on the topic of typical timelines for custom software development. There is a definite timeline for creation when the business chooses to go for the custom software path. The timeline put in place keeps the process as efficient as possible while yielding timely results. From getting in touch with an accounts executive to launching the software, being in the know of how things pan out avoids miscommunication. We will be introducing you to the start to finish of your own timeline should you opt for customization. Number 1. Requirement. When you approach a software development agency, the very first stage will be meeting the account executive. This executive defines the relationship and factors in the requirements that you need to develop the software. This also includes the confirmation of initial designs and features. Number 2. Planning and development. After the requirements are conveyed, the developers go to work with a definite plan. This stage is where developers and creative designers bring in the work and write code that builds the software. It also includes timely progress reports that help you know the stage at which the software is developing. During development, you can also suggest any tweaks that you would like to make to the plan. After a series of codes and progress reports, while factoring in the feedback, the final product is ready for testing. Number 3. Software testing. Once the final custom software is ready and approved, it prepares for testing. After testing on a sample audience, a celebratory launch makes the software public. If the software is for internal purposes, the personnel are familiarized with the features with seminars or simply memos. If the custom software launches to the mass audience, then it is available in app stores or websites for download and use. Custom software allows you to have a unique identification system and include all the functionalities that you require. A timeline ensures that the software is built as you expect. This helps with other arrangements surrounding the launch. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind. And subscribe to our LinkedIn page and YouTube channel for more content on the topic. See you in the next video.